Now, what is an order block? An order block is a candle before an impulsive move that breaks structure, leaving an imbalance. I said it again. An order block is a candle before an impulsive move that breaks structure, leaving an imbalance. And before you can be able to see a valid order block, you have to go to a higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. 1 hour time frame is also inclusive, and so 30 minutes. Now, how do we locate an order block? Now, if you go to our 4 hour, let me make it like this, right? It will be visible on the both parts. Now, if you look at our 4 hour here, now this is an order block. You see this, week here, that week there is an order block. Now, what's an order block again? An order block is a candle before an impulsive move. Now, look at this. This is a candle, right, before an impulsive move, breaking a structure, leaving an imbalance. Do you get it? Let me say it again. It is an order block is a candle. This is a candle, right? Leaving an impulsive move. Now, this is an impulsive move. If you look from here, you can see the impulsive move down to the downside, right? Now, an order block is a candle before an impulsive move. Before an impulsive move, breaking structure. Now, this is let's go here. This is a structure here, right? It broke this structure, leaving an imbalance. What is an imbalance? An imbalance is also, some people also call it fair value gap, right? Now, how do you know a fair value gap? A fair value gap is a candle, right, that closes, and a candle that closes. If you look at these two candles, let me break it down. If you look at these two candles, you can see that this candle close here and this candle also close here. Right now, if you look at between them, there is space between this first candle, right? This first candle and this second candle. I don't know if I'm getting it correctly with this mic sketch. Now, if you look at this candle here and see this weak candle here, if you look at the bottom, then there's a space between them. Now, that is an imbalance, and that is also a fair value gap. If you also look at here, you also see here there's a wick. There's a wick here that ends here, right? And there's a wick that also ends here. Now, the distance between the first wick here and this other last wick here, the center, the center of them is called a fair value gap or an imbalance. So, if you want to catch a good trade, right now, you have to wait for a fair value gap. Once price gets to this point, definitely it will come down. It will come down because this is an order block that pulls price either bullish or bearish. Right now, what is a rejection block? Rejection block is a weak candle that rejects price from a particular direction. Mostly, it is always a three candlestick, and the middle candle is always the rejection block. Now, if we look at here, you see this first candle here, this first wick here, and this also wick here. Right now, what is a rejection block? Rejection block is that center one. Let me pull this my trend line down. Let me put my trend line down here like this. Now, this center one, if you look at that center, that center green candle, that is a rejection block. If price gets to that point, right? If price gets to that point, it will pull it very. The impulsive move will be so huge, right? Now, that is a rejection block. So now you know the difference between a rejection block and an order block, right? So that is